Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. And yes, I did find us a deal. You know you want to know. So, come on in, and on your way in, please like the video and share with a friend. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, come on in. I'll save you some money too. And I'm going to save you some money all week long. So, you won't miss it. Let's get you subscribed. Look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. Make sure that notifications is on all, and that way you will not miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, and just hanging out with, well, all of us who are just, well, simply crazy about saving our money, guys. Yes. And to that end, I don't think DG's going to be much help this week. At least not with some new stuff, because I waited for a couple of days to see if they give us anything else. And we really haven't had anything of, newsworthy. So, let's just jump on in. We got old deals that we can still do, particularly if you guys still have the coupons. And we've got a couple of new deals that we're going to do. And this is one of them. Now, I don't drink these energy drinks, but I know a lot of you do drink the energy drinks, and I know they're expensive. So, here's a way to get some for cheaper. Now, we've got a new coupon, and let's see if we can pull it up. This one right here. BOGO, buy one Rockstar, get one brisk Lipton iced tea for free. And you can get the lemonade. You don't have to get the iced tea. You can get the lemonade. So this is a way to get an adult drink and a kid's drink. Or, if you take your lunch and you're adult, it's a way to get a little something extra to go in your lunch. Now, this also is coinciding with a sale of the Rockstar drinks, 2 for $3. Because they're normally $2 a piece. I think $2 and change, actually. So you're saving money right off the bat right there. So you're going to pick up 2 of those Rockstars and 1 of your brisk iced teas. Now, you do have another coupon that you could use if you wanted to come a little bit more out of pocket and needed more beverage. You could pick up a Pepsi product, 20 ounce, or a Crush product, 20 ounce, and save another $1. Now, I don't know if that's worth that to you. Okay? If it is, that's just a notation. But the deal as it stands for me is 2 of the Rockstar drinks and 1 of the brisk iced teas. Now that's $5, and you're getting $2 off, okay? And and the only thing that I can think of that that we're getting $2 off is we're getting a glitch, okay? Because normally we should only be getting the brisk iced tea off instead. So the offer is 2 for $3, and the brisk iced tea is only $4. So what I think is happening here, and I'm not really sure, as you can see, it says regularly $4. I don't think it's recognizing the offer. And it's ringing this up for the $5 total. And then to get to that place where the offer is valid, it's giving you an additional $1 off. If you go pick up 2 of these Rockstars, and it has to be the punched flavor. It's the only one this is happening with. And a brisk or a Lipton product, the dollar Lipton products, that you're out of pocket is going to be $3.30 with a savings of $2. Now that's 3 items, and I happen to think that's a really good deal. Actually $1 an item. The $3.30 is with taxes, but your out-of-pocket before taxes is $3. That's $1 an item. So I think that's a winner-winner, chicken dinner kind of deal. You got more than one account, go do this a couple of times, particularly if you drink those energy drinks, because it's saving you over half for each one of these deals that you would be doing, okay, off your energy drinks. So you'd only be paying $1 for your energy drinks instead of $2. So that's the first deal that hopped out on me that is a new deal. So let's see if we can find another worthwhile deal. Alright, next deal up. Do you like Canada Dry ginger ale? Well, in October and November, these are times that we have like celebrations and family get-togethers. Ginger ale mixed with fruit punch of any kind creates a different type of beverage. Something you can share with your kids and adults. You know, it's entertaining, it's different, it's tasty. So, even if you don't like ginger ale, you got tummy problems, sip a little ginger ale, okay? Ginger ale's always good to have on hand if, you know, somebody gets a cold. Crushed ice and ginger ale, like I said, tummy problems. You got an ulcer, crushed ice and sipping ginger ale. So, what do we got going on with the ginger ale? Well, we got a double dip deal. We got to spend $15 and save $4. And we've got a $2 off digital coupon that will stack with that. And we have a sale, okay? So we can get quite a lot of ginger ale. Now, I'm not sure, this should work with both of these other sodas, the Sunkist and the A&W root beer, but scan and make sure both of these coupons come up, okay? So, you have to spend $15 in order to get the $4 off, but you can pick up 3 for $11. So you're going to pick up, you can pick up 6 of these, okay? Or 2 for $9. It's only a $2 difference for that extra 6-pack. So it's only $2 more if you was going to get that third 12-pack. So for value-wise, I would pick up 6 of these, and you're at $22. Now, you've got a $4 off and a $2 off. That is $6 off. That means you're going to be paying $15 for 6 of these 6-packs. Okay, your actual math for 6 packs of these bottles is $22. And you can mix and match. You can get the A&W root beer, you can get the Canada Dry, you can get the Sunkist. So you can mix and match whatever your needs are. So here's 2 of so far the best deals that I've found that that nobody else is talking about. I don't think anyway. So there's 2 deals for you. And I'm going to look for you some more. We're going to go through the coupons that we already have and look through our new coupons and offers and see if we can come up with some super good deals. Now, do stay tuned because we have got an instant savings on Old El Paso, and we've got digital coupons as well as a earn on the Old El Paso, as well as a recipe, and you know you want to know. So come back by and check on that, and you can have Mexican to go with your sodas. So, see you soon.